Hello students, before class discussed exercise 1.2 4th, 5th, 6th bits. Now we are going to discuss exercise 1.2 of real numbers first chapter 9th standard 7th, 8th, 9th bits. First one, 7th one, locate root 10 on the number line. Before locating root 10 on the number line, let us go to the statements of 7th solution. See here, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Here what to locate, here given root 10. See here root 10 is an hypotenuse. I already discussed you that one side, it must be one side only 1 centimeter, means one, only one here. So side square no, we have to keep a square, one square. If what we have to add to get 10, 1 square means only 1 no. 1 plus dash is equals to 10. Means 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. 9 can be written as 3 square. 3. Side square no. 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 plus 1 square means 1. Root 10 whole square is equals to 10. If square will go on the RHS side, it will become root. LHS is equals to RHS. Now we will go to the problem how to locate root 10 on the number line. See, now we are going to discuss root 10 how to locate on a number line. First we have to draw a 3 centimeter line like this from 0 to 3. How sir, how can we draw only 3 centimeter line? See this statement. We have to take 3 centimeter, next 1 centimeter. For every number line locating irrational numbers, we have to see only second statement, only basis. We have to not observe the exponential form, only we have to observe basis form. See, first we have to write a 3 centimeter and from 3 we have to measure a 90 degrees. See, 90 degrees, we have to measure 90 degrees. But we have to draw only 1 centimeter. But it should focus on 90 degrees. See here 90 degrees it is focusing, because first 3 centimeter, next 1 centimeter no. First we have to write here 1 centimeter. Let us take the initial point is O. Next this is, let us take A and this is B. Let us join O and B. And we have to take a compass and measure the length of the O and B and draw an arc. See, like this we have to draw an arc. See, this intersecting point is nothing but root 10. Understand? See here, understand? First we have to draw 3 centimeter and we have to draw 1 centimeter focusing towards 9. And let us this point be O and A, here B. And we have to join O and B. And we have to, with the help of compass, we have to measure the length of O and B and draw an arc. That arc is nothing but root 10. Next, 8th problem, find at least 2 irrational numbers between 2 and 3. We can write 2 has, how 2 is written as root 4, because how can you write 2 as root 4 sir? Root 4 is nothing but 4 can be written as 2 square. Square root will be cancelled. Answer is also 2. So 2 can be written as root 4. And we can write 3 as root 9, because root 9 can be written as 9 can be written as 3 square. Square root will be cancelled. Answer is 3. The irrational numbers between them. What he said to find out? Find the irrational numbers between 2 and 3. 2 can be written as 4, root 4. And 3 can be written as root 9. The irrational number between root 4 and root 9 are root 5, root 6, root 7 and root 8. See here. See here how simple it is. It is very easy to solve the problems. Next, ninth bit. State whether the following statements are true or false. We have to justify and we have to write an answer. Every irrational number is a real number. Yes, obviously it is true because real number is a combination of rational and irrational. So irrational number is always, all irrational number are real numbers. See examples here. Root 3, root 2 is irrational number, but also it is real numbers. Every rational number is real number. Yes, obviously true because 2 by 3 is a rational number and also it is a real number. Real number is a combination of rational and irrational. Next, third one, every real number need not be a rational number. See here, need not be means it whether be rational or irrational. So it is a true. Real number is a combination of rational and irrational. See, need not be. So it is rational, neither were irrational. See, root 3 is an irrational here. And 2 by 3 is a rational. Both are belongs to real number only. Next, root n is not perfect square, not a irrational if n is a perfect square. Root n is not irrational. Yes, true. How, sir? Perfect square means what? See here, root 4 is a perfect square. 4 can be written as 2 square. Square root will be cancelled. Answer is 2. Root 4 is a perfect square. Not irrational means it is nothing but rational. Root n is irrational means it is perfect square. Root n is irrational means it is not a perfect square. Root n is an irrational if n is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square means here example root 5. Root 5 is irrational, not a perfect square. Yeah, root n is an irrational if n is not a perfect square. Not perfect square means irrational. Perfect square means rational. So it is true. All real numbers are irrational. No, false it is. All real numbers are rational or irrational. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon. Whenever I will keep the video, you will get the notifications. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.